Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever asked a chatbot a question, got a great answer, but then realized you still had to do all the actual work yourself? Well, that is changing fast. Today, we are talking about AI agents, smart systems that do not just talk, but actually get real work done for you. So, what is the difference between a normal chatbot and an AI agent? A basic chatbot just generates text when you ask it something. An AI agent is different. It can look at its environment, make decisions, and take multi-step actions on its own to reach a specific goal. Let us look at a huge real-world example. E-commerce company Klarna launched an AI customer service agent powered by GPT-4. In its first month, this agent handled 2 million customer chats. But it did not just answer questions. It checked order statuses, updated store databases, and processed refunds completely on its own without human help. How do they do this? AI agents break down big goals into smaller steps. They use planning, reasoning, and tools. Instead of just writing words, they use function calling to click buttons, connect to databases, send emails, or run computer code. Another amazing example is Devin, created by Cognition AI. Devin is known as the first AI software engineer. Instead of just giving you code snippets, Devin can plan an entire software project, write the code, fix bugs, and test the program all by itself. AI agents are not just on screens either. Automated financial trading systems use AI agents to buy and sell stocks in milliseconds based on real-time market data. And in the physical world, autonomous delivery robots navigate busy sidewalks to bring food straight to your door. Now, you might wonder, is it safe to let AI act on its own? That is why developers use guardrails and human oversight. Humans set safety rules so agents operate within strict bounds, preventing costly mistakes and keeping data safe. AI agents are taking us from simple conversational chatbots to powerful digital assistants that solve real problems. What task would you want an AI agent to handle for you? Let us know in the comments below, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.